Hi. Today we're going to learn about some letters that you can put together to make special sounds. So you can put the letter S and H together and that makes a new sound. It's called sh, just like sh. So that's one sound we're going to focus on. Here's another combination. You can put the letters CH together to say ch, ch. Think of a choo-choo train. Chugga 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 choo choo. That's the sound CH makes. And our third sound today is going to be what the sound T and H, when you put those letters together, they make a new special sound. It's called. It's kind of funny because you have to stick your tongue out. Okay, so once again, shh, choo 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 choo, and okay, we're going to need our listening ears for this. I'm going to say a word, and we're going to start by listening for the sh sound in the word. Okay, all right, we're going to do our punch it out, where we're going to do the word is fish, fish, fish. Next word, dish, d-ish, dish. Next word, fresh, fresh, fresh. Next word, crash, 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 crash. And our last word, rush, rush, rush. So our words were fish, dish, fresh, crash, and rush. They all have the sound spelled S-H. Okay, moving on to our next one is the sound when you see the C and H together. Say ch, 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 ch. Okay. Here's the first word, inch, inch, inch. Next word, catch, catch, catch. Next word, touch, touch, touch. And next word, trash, oh, excuse me, that's an SH word. Next word, bunch, 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 bunch. Okay, so we had inch, catch, bunch. And our final sound is the sound when we put a T and an H together. TH makes like in thank you, or Thanksgiving, or Thursday. There's actually two sounds. I'm doing the soft, very soft, and then there's the hard one, which is more like the, like in the and then. And then there's the soft one, like very gentle. So let's try some words with. First word is the word with. With. Next word, both. Both. Next word, bath. Bath. Let me pick a couple with the hard th sound too. How about the word then? Then. And let's finish up with, we can pick path. So words like with, path, then, thank, thistle, Thursday. Those all have the TH sound. So once again, TH, CH, ch, and SH, sh. So when you see these when you're reading, you know that there's a special sound that's associated with these letter combinations. Okay, see you next time.